how to make curved text in Affinity Photo. Let me show you.
So first click Ellipse tool, drag it to the photo, then click Text tool. Hover the mouse on edge of the ellipse. You can see it changing the symbol. Just click and start typing. Ctrl A to select the whole text, center it, then adjust these red and green triangles till you're happy. You can reverse text if it's on the wrong side. Then readjust red and green triangles. There it kinda is, but there's still a little bonus info. This bonus information is how I added the details to the text.
And yep, that's it. I hope it really helped. As always, have a great one. Bye.